Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. So let's have a look at question 6. F of x is a cubic function whose roots 2, minus 1 and k. Okay, so just like we did on example 5, where we set up 3 factors here, that gave us a cubic. Okay, you have 3 roots, that's going to give you a cubic function. Okay, when it says roots, that means x equals. So when my roots are 2, minus 1 and k, then that means x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 1, and x is equal to k. That's what it means when it gives you the roots. Okay, to form the cubic, though, you need the factors. So the factor would be x minus 2, the factor here, x plus 1, the factor here, x minus k. Okay, you always bring this over, and it of course changes sign to form the factors. Okay, so let's multiply that up. Let's see how we get on. I'll do these two first because you can only ever really multiply 2 brackets at the one time. So x by x, x squared, x by plus 1 plus x minus 2x minus 2. So I have x squared minus x minus 2 for that part. Okay, now let's multiply that by my third factor, which is x minus k. So x squared by x, x cubed, x squared by minus kx squared. Then I'm going for the minus x now. Minus x by x, minus x squared, minus x by minus k. Well, minus by minus is a plus, kx. Okay. Do you know what? I'm just going to change that squared just to write it a little bit better so I don't get confused. And then minus x by minus k is plus kx. So 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Yeah, okay. So now I'm going back for the minus 2 by these two terms. So minus 2 by x, minus 2x, minus by minus is a plus 2k. Okay, so if I tidy that up, there isn't really much I can do with it. No, that's fine. Okay, so that's my cubic formed from these roots. Okay, so anytime you need to form a cubic, write them as roots like such, then as factors, then multiply them and you'll get the equation. So if it's going to be a quadratic, they'll give you 2 roots and you have to form them. If it's a cubic, they'll give you 3 roots. Okay, so the question then said, if f of 3 plus 5 times f of 0 equals 0, find the value of k. Okay, so f of 3 then, where am I? So if I do f of 3 then, that means that I sub in 3 for x, okay? Because any function can be written as f of x equals or y equals, okay? So that x that's here is being replaced by 3. So what will that look like? Well, I'm going to sub 3 in here and here and here and here and here. So I'm going to get 3 cubed minus k times 3 squared minus 3 squared plus k times 3 minus 2 times 3 plus 2k. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, minus 9k minus 9 plus 3k minus 6 plus 2k. Okay, let me tidy that up a bit. 27 minus that 9 minus that 6, and I'm getting 27 minus 9. I'm getting 12, and then minus 9k plus 5k minus 4k. Okay, so that's what I'm getting for f of 3. Okay, So that's what f of 3 is. I now need to add 5 times f of 0 to it. So let's figure out what is f of 0. So again, x is being replaced by 0. Okay, so all of these are going to become zeros. So I'm getting 0 cubed minus k times 0 squared minus 0 squared plus k times 0 minus 2 times 0 plus 2k. Okay, and anything multiplied by 0 is 0, so all of them are 0. So for f of 0, I'm getting 2k. Okay, so then take down what they gave you, which was f of 3 plus 5 times f of 0 is equal to 0. Instead of f of 3, put in your f of 3, which is 12 minus 4k, plus 5 times, instead of f of 0, put in your f of 0, 2k equals 0. So I have 12 minus 4k plus 10k equals 0. 12 plus 6k equals 0. 6k is equal to minus 12. Divide across by 6, and I'm getting k being equal to minus 2. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.